Hello, this is Patrick and Katie Ryan.
Come take a walk with us as we go through the Carmel Point neighborhood in Carmel. Carmel Point is an area of Carmel that is not part of the Golden Rectangle. It's actually not a part of Carmel by the Sea. It's the city of Carmel. Every home is unique and a lot bigger, as the lots here are bigger than they are in Carmel by the Sea. Cypress trees are abundant and thriving. This area of Carmel has a great charm, is quiet, and great for walking. There are a lot of views of the ocean, and every now and then a house made of stone pops up. As you can see, every home on this walk is to be desired. Have fun and let us know what you think.